I'm here at the Salt Lake Bicycle Collective, and I was looking through their mountain bike frames. I was filming for an entirely different video, and I came across this. What is this? This is a Specialized Crave Comp mountain bike, and the Bicycle Collective has it for $319. So what's cool about this bike, this is a 29er. This is the perfect XC NICA bike for a kid starting out. This is actually a size medium. This is about the size that I would ride. I'd be somewhere in medium or large here on this. It's got a RockShox Recon. It's got a RockShox Recon front fork, an air fork. It's got hydraulic brakes. It's got a 2x10 SLX drivetrain on it. You could probably put a dropper on this. This is a light, fast hardtail that could be used really well for a kid getting into NICA, and it's going for just this price of $319. That's insane. You couldn't buy the parts for this to build this bike for that price. I just want to highlight this as we're getting close to the NICA season coming up. If you're a NICA rider, especially if you live in the Utah area, be sure to check out the Bicycle Collectives as a place to get an affordable first bike for your NICA racing kid. Something like this is just incredible. I mean, it's a beautiful bike. It's well built. It's ready for a lot of upgrades. It's just a great value that you can get for just an incredible price.